Welcome back. Now in this video, what we're going to do is we're going to narrate our content into a Camtasia project, and we are going to use the Camtasia recorder in order to do that. And we don't need to be concerned about the video. We only need to be concerned about being able to edit the audio. So if we make a mistake, what we're going to do is we're going to clap 3 times in order to see it on the timeline, and then we're going to edit it out when we do the recording. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and record this audio. And while we do that, what we're going to do is we're going to come back then, and then we're going to edit it on the timeline. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our PowerPoint presentation, and then we're going to start the narration process. Anyone want to become more empowered? Discover your life purpose, unlock your full potential, and supercharge your success. And finally reach your goals and become a more confident person, lead with authority, and empower yourself and anyone around you. Is your life everything you've always wanted to be? Are you the person you want to be? And are you where you thought you would be in your career and in your relationships? Now, if you're anything like most people, then the answer to these questions will be a resounding no. Even those of us who are generally happy for the most part often find that our lives never panned out quite the way we thought they would, or that we aren't quite as accomplished as some of our friends. Even those of us who are generally happy for the most part will often find that our lives never panned But can you really live the life you've always wanted? While those few people seem to be successful in everything they do, we struggle hard to stay afloat and keep the house clean, to get to the gym and keep in touch with friends. This means we have no time to work on developing ourselves or to take our lives to that next level. Perhaps you struggle to know what that next level is. Maybe you don't know what it is you really want from life in the first place. Perhaps the issue is that our expectations are set too high, maybe as a result of media. But wouldn't it be amazing if you could live the life that you've always wanted, or if you could make the life everything you've dreamed of? Wouldn't it be incredible if there was a real limitless pill that could help you to start making the very most of your life and seize the day and create opportunities? What's the solution? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's possible. That all the things that you've dreamed of can become a reality, and that there's no reason you can't become the ultimate version of yourself. And I've written a guide to help you get there. Let me introduce you to our brand new guide, The Empowered Life. Discover your life purpose, unlock your full potential, and supercharge your success. You can get instant access right now. You'll discover all the steps, tools, and resources you need to help you finally reach your goal. Click the Add to Cart button to get your copy today. Okay, so now we have finished narrating the audio. What we're going to do now is we're going to stop this video and we're going to pick it up from the editing process. Okay, welcome back. So we have our audio here on the timeline, and we know for the most part that we have one mistake in this presentation. And so we want to be able to listen to find out where it is into a Camtasia project. Okay, so we are going to now start with this particular part of the edit. And we're going to cut out the beginning right here. Going to bring our timeline all the way back. We're going to bring this part back here. And then this is that we aren't quite as accomplished as some of our friends. And I think what we want to do is we want to scroll all the way up here. And then we'll edit this out. And then we will take this part, we'll cut it out. And then we're going to extend this just a little bit so we can do Camtasia noise reduction. And then we're going to cut that part out. Okay, so now we have our audio, and it's now ready for us to use as our audio narration. So what we need to do now, of course, is we need to produce the audio, and we're going to do that here in Camtasia. And we're going to click Save. And we're going to let the audio produce. And MP3s don't take long to produce, so we're going to actually go ahead and watch this process. And what's going to happen is that when Camtasia has completed the production, the editing screen is going to open up again. Anyone want to become more empowered? Okay, so there's our audio. And then we can find it in our production folder. Okay, so that is the process of narrating and editing our audio. We are now ready for the next step. So with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.